Hi, I'm Pete, and welcome to Ephemeral Houston. Come with me. One of the first things you'll notice when you come into the space are these really cool floors. The people before us had some sort of linoleum tiles on the floor, and then when we pulled it up, it left this really cool grid pattern that most people probably would have covered up, but we embraced and actually used it as inspiration for a lot of the space. So we have this massive lattice that separates the front of the studio to the back of the studio, and that was fully inspired by the grid on the floor. You'll notice a lot of corrugated steel throughout the space. Plants were really important to warm up this space, so we worked with the Plant Project who helped style out these massive planters that we built that ground either side of the hangout areas when you first walk in. This year, Pantone released a book of colors based on skin tones. Skin is our canvas here at Ephemeral, so we figured let's use those colors as our color palette for this studio. You'll notice we powder coated all the studio booths in different colors from the book. So I'm gonna take y'all into one of our tattoo rooms. What's important to us at Ephemeral is that we create an open, safe space for our guests, but also add a barrier for privacy. So this is my favorite part of the studio. We like to create like a lounge area for our guests to hang out in before or after getting tattooed. It's my favorite part because it's when I come and I'm able to discover local shops, do some vintage shopping, and just create kind of like a very homey atmosphere. Thanks for coming by. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.